Hi, I'm Sonia Chauhan. I'm here today with Navita Sandhu, the founder of Sacred Spaces. We're going to have yet another insightful and interesting conversation. Today, we're going to talk about boundaries. Hi, Navita. How are you?
I'm doing good. Thank you, Sonia. How are you doing today?
I'm very fine. And आपको देख के वैसे भी always feel good.
Likewise.
Okay, so today we are here to talk about boundaries because I feel like just like healing, boundaries is also a buzzword now.
Yeah.
There is so much talk about
Hmm.
boundaries. मेरी boundaries cross हो रही हैं, my
Hmm.
boundaries were crossed,
Yeah.
or I'm not able to understand what boundaries are, etc. And I think thanks to Gen Z again, this term has really like come into existence
Yeah.
in its current sense in the first time.
Time.
Because whenever I, as a millennial, as a person in my late 30s, think of the word boundary,
Hmm.
मेरे दिमाग में कुछ भी हेल्दी बाउंड्री अनहेल्दी बाउंड्री ऐसा कुछ भी
नहीं
नहीं
आता
आता
था.
है
True.
मेरे दिमाग में बाउंड्री इज लाइक जो प्लेग्राउंड में वैसे रोप होता था ना
हाँ.
like the cricket boundary
Yes.
like the stadium boundary, right?
हाँ.
That's the boundary that comes to my mind. So
Yes.
for me, I still have to like really, that's always my first
Hmm.
idea of boundary, and then I have to like reshape my mind
Yes.
towards an emotional boundary.
Yeah.
So do you want to talk a little bit about what are boundaries in the
Yes.
emotional sense, and
Hmm.
what are healthy boundaries, what are unhealthy boundaries, what are weak boundaries?
Hmm. So that's very insightful question because as you said, हम सबके mind में और thanks to Gen Zs again कि they've created I think opened spaces for all of us to really go dive into it and understand कि ये सब है क्या और हमें लगता है कि ये शायद आज का ही buzzwords हैं पर
Hmm.
नहीं it was very much there. Those boundaries did existed. वी नेवर न्यू व्हाट दोज वर और कैसे उनको बरकरार रखना है करना भी है कि नहीं है क्रिएट
Hmm.
करनी है अपनी बाउंड्रीज की नहीं करनी है क्योंकि हम वो जो सर्कल की इमेज आई है ना सोनिया वो डीप डाउन कंडीशनिंग से कहीं है कि मेरी बाउंड्रीज इज ऑलवेज अराउंड पीपल मैं वो सर्कल ही मेरी बाउंड्री है मुझे वो उसी के इर्द गिर्द ही रहना है राइट सो वी आर कंडीशन टू बी जस्ट अराउंड पीपल who we've seen are very important to us right from the time I was a child. That is my caregivers, my parents, then my teachers, then my friends और relative extended family और कोई भी जो अथॉरिटी में मेरे आसपास है ना मैं उसी की बाउंड्री को अपनी बाउंड्री समझ के क्योंकि मुझे कंडीशन ही ऐसे मिली यू हैव टू लिसन टू देम यू दे वी आर ट्रेन टू लिसन टू देम दे आर द वंस हु आर टेलिंग अस राइट फ्रॉम द बर्थ टू आर अर्ली एज कि क्या करना है कैसे करना है ऐसे बिहेव करना है वैसे बिहेव करना है ऐसे बात करनी है वैसे बात करनी है you do things in a certain way you are accepted you do things in a certain not in a certain way you'll be rejected you'll not be appreciated you'll not be loved तो हमारी बाउंड्री वो सर्कल में ही है ना कि आई हैव टू बी अप्रूवल के लिए मैं भाग रही हूँ वैलिडेशन के लिए फियर से बचना है रिजेक्शन से बचना है तो मेरी बाउंड्री सर्कल ही है तो इसीलिए जब भी आर जनरेशन और द ओल्डर जनरेशन दे डोंट हैव द कॉन्सेप्ट बिकॉज हम लाइफ को सर्कल में ही लिव कर रहे हैं हम बाउंड्रीज भी वहीं ढूंढ रहे हैं और बाउंड्रीज ढूंढ ही नहीं रहे हैं जो मेरे को बता दिया गया है कि यही लाइफ है और यही रिलेशंस है और ऐसे ही एक सेट फॉर्मेट है जिसमें मुझे चलना है जिसमें मुझे रिएक्ट करना है जिसमें मुझे रिस्पॉन्ड करना है जिसमें मुझे बिहेव करना है मेरी बाउंड्रीज है ही नहीं है so we've grown up not with the concept of having boundaries at all. We've rather I would go and say we've been told what our limits are, not the
Yes.
boundaries.
Yes, that actually rings a bell.
Hmm.
Yeah.
So जब हम boundaries की आजकल बात कर रहे हैं और you said that it's a buzzword, so let's understand कि ये हैं क्या ना boundaries. So boundaries is where I feel safe and protected.
Okay.
Whereas my conditioning, the imprint which is being given to me, एक तो मेरा imprint अपना था soul का imprint जो मैं लाके यहाँ lost हो जाता है because आपके बाकी सारे imprints of a family किस family में आप आए हो
Hmm.
क्या value system है parental value system क्या है दोनों individuals हैं mother father उनके अपने baggages क्या हैं या emotional needs क्या हैं या अपने experiences क्या हैं तो उसके साथ उन्होंने आपका एक print बना दिया कि this is how you're going to be a good child a good daughter, a good son, a good student. तो ये आपको इम्प्रिंट्स उन्होंने दे दिए कि ये वैलिडेटेड बिहेवियर है ये इनवैलिडेटेड बिहेवियर है But what about the authentic self which wants to question, which wants to understand, which wants to probably tell the parent or tell the caregiver or anybody else कि no, maybe things can go like this because I feel like this. So I am told no, you cannot feel like this because this is the way of life. आपको ये ऐसे ही करना है. अगर बड़ा है तो उसकी रिस्पेक्ट ही करनी है, चाहे वो आपकी कितनी मर्जी बेइज्जती करे,
Hmm.
राइट? आपको आगे से जवाब नहीं देना है, चाहे वो जवाब सही हो, लेकिन आपको
Hmm.
जवाब नहीं देना है, राइट? सो ऑल दोज थिंग्स इन द नेम ऑफ कल्चर, इन द नेम ऑफ ट्रेडिशन, इन द नेम ऑफ मॉरल वैल्यूज इज बीन इम्पोज्ड, गिवन एज एन इम्प्रिंट, और हमारी वो कंडीशनिंग ऐसे हो जाती है. एंड देन इफ आई वांट टू सी से माय ट्रूथ, आई डोंट फील सेफ कि अगर मैं सच बोलूंगा या मेरे दिल में जो है बोलना चाहूंगी, आई विल बी स्कोल्डेड बाय माय मदर और आई विल बी स्कोल्डेड बाय माय टीचर्स. तो
Or
हाउ
maybe
डू आई
we,
नो?
I feel like maybe we don't even know that we're supposed to think for
Yeah.
ourselves.
Yes.
So, how can we think about boundaries? Like, we don't
Absolute.
even know
We don't
what to
know that.
think.
The point is this only कि अभी हम जब बाउंड्रीज की इतनी
Hmm.
सारी बात कर रहे हैं तो लोगों को पता ही नहीं है बात है क्या, बाउंड्रीज है
Right.
क्या, चाहिए किसके लिए बाउंड्रीज, किससे बाउंड्री क्रिएट करनी
Yes,
है.
yes, absolutely. That's what I think. That,
Yeah.
what is actually the point you made about limit is very correct, because
Hmm.
the first question that naturally comes to my mind is, am I allowed to do this? Is this
Yes.
allowed?
Yes.
Is this within the rules? Is this within the structure? So I
Hmm.
think what you mean, I mean, to just sort of summarize what I've understood from what you've said is that a boundary is probably an independent thought
Yes.
process when you create that for yourself कि मैं जहाँ जा रही हूँ मुझे वो पसंद आ रहा है कि नहीं, rather
Yes.
than like say I go to a party,
Hmm.
I go to a birthday party, so there are like 10 things my
Hmm.
mother will tell me कि when I'm a child कि ऐसे करना है, ऐसे behave करना है,
हाँ.
ऐसे नहीं करना, etc. So those create like a organized structure in my head कि this is how I'm supposed to operate
बिल्कुल.
when I'm in public.
वो मेरे पैरामीटर्स बन जाते
Yes,
हैं of a good behavior.
right. And boundary is so actually we see boundary as a limitation.
Yeah, we see boundary as a limitation, whereas boundary is a safe space you create for yourself where you can feel what you feel and you can let the other person know without this fear of rejection, without this fear of being controlled, without this fear of being how I'll be perceived, how I'll be judged as a person, right? और उसके लिए हम, और वो हमारे पास वो फियर और वो आया कहाँ से, वो बचपन से ही आया ना, फ्रॉम द
Hmm.
चाइल्डहुड दैट इज बीन इम्प्रिंटेड. if I'm not going to behave in a certain way, if I'm
Yes.
not going to conduct in a certain way, if I will not perform in a certain way, तो
I will not be
I'll not
accepted.
be accepted, I'm not good enough. So ये
Yes.
सारे limiting beliefs,
Yeah.
limitations create कर रहे हैं. तो boundaries तो मुझे create करनी आई नहीं, क्योंकि probably even that generation was not aware because they were
Sure.
conditioned. हम pass on ही कर रहे हैं ना.
Hmm.
So now we have a generation which is much more aware and they are
Yeah.
telling us कि no mom, this is not right.
Hmm.
What you're
But-
telling me, there is another side of it also.
But to be
Hmm.
able to go to your parent and say that
Hmm.
is maybe a done thing now, but
Yeah.
it was not a done thing
Yes.
earlier, which is fine. I mean, so
That's why we are
essentially-
talking about how what boundaries are and
Yeah.
how I can create it now.
yeah.
Yes.
How I can come up with it now, I guess, right?
Yeah.
First we need to come up with
Yes.
boundaries. I think हमें boundaries को तो सबसे पहले तो ये figure out करना है कि भाई boundary जैसी कोई
Right.
चीज exist करती है.
करती है.
And then first, I think the second step would be to have the self realization
Yes.
to come into your own that, okay, this is the kind of person I am. These are my fears. This is where I draw my validation
Hmm.
from. This is the kind of compliance that is
Hmm.
embedded inside me.
I love
And-
the word compliance. Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
And that is why now I need to, and these are, I mean, like fears, compliance, and all the other things,
Yeah.
insecurities, validation, drawing validation, etc., which basically compose me, my
Hmm.
self image.
Yes.
So सबसे पहले तो वो self image को ही हमें थोड़ा
Image.
change करना
हाँ,
पड़ेगा
हाँ.
कि भाई हम वो नहीं है, उसके सिवा भी like sans my all my achievements, sans my failures, who am I? I am not just the sum of say the books I've written or
Yes.
whatever work I do with my
Yeah.
clients, my law practice,
Yeah.
etc. Like if I remove all of that, I am not just the sum of
Yeah.
that. I am more than that. And who is that person? तो
Yeah.
पहले तो हमें ये समझना पड़ेगा who we are.
बिल्कुल.
Only then we will understand our
तो
boundaries.
अगर हमें सेल्फ अवेयरनेस ही नहीं है अपने बारे में, और वो इसीलिए भी नहीं है क्योंकि कभी किसी ने वो सेल्फ को ऊपर आने ही नहीं दिया. You know, we all come with our authentic self, and authentic self is free. which is here to experience.
Hmm.
और वो एक्सपीरियंस हम कहाँ से स्टार्ट करते हैं? हम इमीडिएट एनवायरनमेंट से एक्सपीरियंस स्टार्ट होते हैं. तो हमें एक्चुअली राइट फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग आई शुड बी टोल्ड इट इज ओके टू फील लाइक दैट. एंड देन इफ एज अ चाइल्ड आई एम टोल्ड इट्स ओके टू फील बैड इफ आपको डांट भी पड़ गई तो इट्स ओके. यू डोंट हैव टू ओवर apologize.
Hmm.
Apologize, but don't over apologize because then it becomes a habit and then you keep checking yourself कि मैंने कुछ गलती तो नहीं कर ली. तो मुझे फर्स्ट लेसन ऑफ क्रिएटिंग अ हेल्दी बाउंड्री वहीं मिल गया दैट इट्स ओके टू फील द वे
Feel.
आई फील एंड देन इट्स ओके टू से द वे आई से एंड लेट द अदर पर्सन रिस्पॉन्ड टू दैट एंड आई विल टेक द रिस्पॉन्स एंड देन आई एक्ट फर्दर. अब वो बाउंड्री है ना. लेकिन वो आपने आपने सिखाया क्या उसको कि अपनी हद में रहो. एक बड़ा
Yeah.
बात कर रहा है या आई एम योर पेरेंट,
Hmm.
आई एम टॉकिंग टू यू इन दिस वे to respond in a certain way.
Hmm. Yes.
Respectfully suno. Respectfully suno, but then do what? You have to teach a child that also. Then only he will know कि I have to extend my limit, but what we do is we extend ourselves. Okay, okay, no, I don't have to say this. I don't have to do this. मुझे नहीं ऐसे बात करनी. मुझे ये कहीं मेरे से नाराज ना हो जाए. So what do? We go in over pleasing other people. We overextend ourselves. We are always saying yes to other people's need, forgetting our needs.
Right. So tell me something like I've understood what you've said. My question, what I'm realizing now is that a lot of people don't understand what boundaries are, but I believe that because the word is so popular and
Hmm.
ever present these
Hmm.
days, I think people are able to understand what boundaries are. Maybe they're just getting the hang of it.
Hmm.
So tell me, I think a lot of times we don't realize that the boundaries have been crossed because
Hmm.
in
Yes.
childhood we were not treated in,
Yeah.
I mean, we were not basically told because our parents were not aware, so
Hmm.
they could not pass on that awareness to
Absolutely.
us, right?
Yeah.
So now here we are as adults or young adults
Hmm.
going into the world without boundaries, not because we there's something lacking in us, but because we're simply not aware.
Aware.
That is why I think
Yeah.
a lot of
Yeah.
people's boundaries get crossed.
Yeah.
So how do we get to know that our boundaries have been crossed? Like if my boundary is
Hmm.
crossed, is there a way I can figure out ki my
Yes, yes,
boundary is crossed?
absolutely. So again, Sonia, when we talk about boundaries or see, these are invisible lines. There is no such physical territory I can mark. This is physical territory is ये मेरा घर है. लेकिन घर के अंदर there are so many relations at which are at
Play.
interplay, right?
Yeah.
So boundaries are always invisible. So when we say how I know my boundaries are crossed, how safe do you feel with that person when you are saying yes to him or listening to him or when you're told to do certain things for the others?
How do I know I'm feeling safe?
So you have to ask yourself and you have to see. So normally क्या होता है ना, when you get into this, जब ये conditioning हो जाती है ना, बड़ी deep conditioning that you have to say yes to elders. You have no, I'm not picking up elders only because it's easy to relate to it because we are all told कि elders हैं तो मतलब है wise हैं और आपके
Hmm.
बड़े हैं और आपको yes ही कहना है. Though they at times they can be wrong about things. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम पिकिंग अप दिस एग्जांपल. सो आपको यस ही कहना है, आपको उनकी हर बात चुपचाप ही सुननी है, राइट? Certain times you want to tell them no, this is not the right way of doing it, this is not right, ये बिल्कुल सही बात नहीं है, ये गलत बात है. आप अपना ओपिनियन देना चाहते हो उनको, बट यू कैन नॉट बिकॉज यू कंडीशन के बड़े हैं, आप बोल नहीं सकते, उनको बुरा लग जाएगा. So listen to your body, see where that no is being held, because somewhere in your body you will feel the discomfort. आपको
Okay.
कहीं टेंशन फील होगी, आपको कहीं इरिटेशन भी फील होगी, इमोशनल लेवल पे यू विल बी डिस्टर्ब्ड, एंगर भी आएगा, बट यू आर कंट्रोलिंग दैट. So when you have discomfort, you have tensions, you have irritations, you have anger pent up, you cannot speak about it, that means your boundaries are violated or you don't have any boundaries. So it is very important to understand that boundaries, when we talk about, is nothing but bringing in your awareness to your self-worth, to your self-respect, and to your own self. I, as a person, I am an emotional being. We all are emotional beings, right? So if I am experiencing certain emotions, if I am experiencing certain kind of uh, what you say, the flux of emotions coming from the other person also, I have the right to respond to it. You cannot shut me down. Ki you cannot speak like this. नॉर्मली हम अपने घरों में हमने एक बॉक्सेस हम बात करते हैं हमेशा कि हमने बॉक्सेस क्रिएट किए हुए हैं ना, जेंडर के बॉक्स क्रिएट किए हुए हैं, बड़े छोटे के बॉक्स क्रिएट किए हुए हैं, हस्बैंड वाइफ के क्रिएट किए हुए हैं, मदर फादर के क्रिएट किए हुए हैं. There is a certain way you have to speak, there is a certain way you have to dress up, there is a certain way you have to get up, there is a certain way you have to do things. So हमने उसको इतना माइक्रो मैनेज किया हुआ है सब लोगों को, that we there is no space for that self to grow, right? So let's say a child today does not want to go to school. हम कहेंगे नहीं, स्कूल जाना ही जाना है, आज
Yes.
बिल्कुल जाना ही जाना है, ये अटेंडेंस भी है, ये जरूरी भी है, ये स्पोर्ट्स डे भी है, आज तुम्हारा टेस्ट भी है. Okay, fine, those things are absolutely okay. The kid should know how to follow the discipline, but what is the harm if you sit with the child and just let him speak why he doesn't want to go? Maybe there's something that he's not liking, maybe there's something which he's struggling, which he doesn't know how to express. So
But then
jab
for
hum
that, like we have to like create space and patience, right?
Yeah,
So then in
absolutely.
that way, we have to also create space and patience with ourselves to
Ourself
understand.
first ourselves. If I
Hmm.
don't create that space, how am I going to hold that space for my child, my family,
Yeah.
or my workplace? Because we are always at an interplay with other people. So boundaries are invisible lines for me. How I'm going to protect myself? Because that protection, that feeling safe, that feeling respect for myself is going to determine how I'm going to build a relationship with you
Yeah,
in
I
whichever
actually
area.
just remembered this beautiful anecdote that Alain de Botton
Hmm.
gives. So he's
Hmm.
like, so I really feel like I have a parasocial
Hmm.
relationship with
Hmm.
Alain de Botton because I've never met him, but
Yeah.
he really, I believe, has helped me so much
Yeah.
in understanding life.
Yeah.
So, he gives this anecdote where he says that for a good marriage,
Hmm.
in long
Hmm.
marriages, uh, the partner doesn't actually have to, I mean, like, it is impossible for people to change. It
Hmm.
is extremely hard for people to
Absolutely.
change,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
But the one thing that separates longer and happier and sort
Hmm.
of okay marriages with like bad and unhappy marriages
Hmm.
is that you have to consistently listen
Hmm.
to the complaints of your partner and give them a good listening, like
Yes.
actively listen
Hmm.
and tell them,
Hmm.
assure them
Hmm.
that yes, they are heard and
Hmm.
they are valid and they are right. Even when they go back to being the same
Yes.
person, because all of us really do go back to being the same
Yes.
people. It's very hard. And this is something I feel in my marriage as well,
Hmm.
that, if how willing am I to change?
Yes.
I have a
Yeah.
snappiness inside me. I'm impatient. I know
Hmm.
that. But I feel like if I'm not that willing to change, then he's not willing.
Absolutely.
How can I expect the other person to
Yeah.
change as
Yeah.
much, right?
Absolutely.
But the thing is that I feel like this is a very important point, and it directly relates to boundaries. That
Hmm.
maybe just the example that you gave of the child and the mother, कि ठीक है आपको स्कूल नहीं जाना, and that's an invalid request, और वो होगा भी नहीं, आपको
Hmm.
जाना ही पड़ेगा. But what is the problem in just hearing them
Hearing
out?
them
if,
out.
if if I'm
Yeah.
just heard, then maybe I'll feel like my boundary is not crossed or it is respected.
In fact, when you ask this question, ki, how do we know that the boundaries are crossed, is when you feel unheard,
Yeah.
unseen,
Mm.
is the very test that your boundaries are violated.
Yeah, you
There were
sort of
no
feel run
harm.
over.
Yeah, run.
Hmm.
Because it's like you have to go by just by the book.
Hmm.
Whatever has been laid out as a matter of rule, discipline, स्टीरियोटाइप्ड इसको हम कह देते हैं आजकल के ये
Yeah.
हम बात कर रहे हैं ना उन चीज़ों के बारे में, स्टीरियोटाइप्ड रोल्स ऑफ
Hmm.
जेंडर हों, चाहे किसी भी रिलेशनशिप के हों, या जजमेंट्स हैं लोगों की विद सर्टेन काइंड ऑफ लुक, यू जज पीपल के कहाँ है, क्या बैकग्राउंड है एंड ऑल दैट. सो हम वो बॉक्सेस में रह रहे हैं, तो
Yeah.
वहाँ हम कहाँ बाउंड्रीज क्रिएट कर रहे हैं? ना हम क्रिएट कर रहे हैं, हम वायलेट ही कर रहे हैं. इनफैक्ट
बिल्कुल.
अपनी मुझे क्रिएट नहीं करने आती, आई एम मास्टर टू वायलेट द अदर, बिकॉज वो कैरी हुआ है ना कि व्हेन
Hmm.
आई वाज in a relationship where I was inferior in terms like I always had an authority figure, I would do what was expected out of me. And then when I become the authority figure, I repeat the same
Oh, like
with
sas
my
bahu thing.
subordinates. Right. So it's like it's a chain, it's a loop. We keep
Hmm.
looping. So हमको we have to step back. अपनी awareness में लेकर आओ. If this is becoming an issue with you every time to say yes, if it is becoming an issue to you कि I am not being heard, मेरी opinion तो matter ही नहीं की.
Hmm.
If it becomes an issue that your body starts telling you कि similar situation comes and your body panics, you start getting headaches, or your knots are there in the stomach, they are clear signs that your body, you need to self assert first. There is something which is yourself is not happy about. So either you are not standing up for yourself, or you are letting the others step on yourself.
So this is an interesting point, and many unfortunate examples come to my mind where I feel like a consequence of not having boundaries or not understanding the concept of boundaries over a long period of time is actually being an indecisive person,
Yes.
because it's in itself like a process of individuation, right? We sort of come into
Yes.
our own and we realize, who am I,
Who am
what
I?
do I want, what do I not want, what's okay, what's not okay. But all these are decisions.
Yeah.
तो डिसीशंस तो हमारे लिए हमारे पेरेंट्स ने ले लिए, फिर सिस्टम ने ले लिए, एंड देन इफ वी जस्ट कीप फॉलोइंग दैट विच इज द सेफेस्ट वे टू एग्जिस्ट अपेरेंटली, we do the biggest disservice to ourselves in the sense that we become poor decision
Yes.
makers, right? So
Or
tell
we become rebellions.
yeah, or we become, yes, and I really do want to talk about the rebels as
Yeah.
well, and we'll come to
Yeah.
that in the conversation. I'm
Yeah.
really eager to talk about the rebels actually.
Yeah.
So tell me, Navita, I'm going to ask you again.
Hmm.
Give me an example of a healthy boundary. Give me
Okay.
an example of a weak boundary.
So one is when you understand कि मेरी boundaries होनी चाहिए,
Hmm.
that I am my own person, and whatever age that comes into, as an adult it should come. As an adult,
Yeah.
you should learn how to assertively, positively let the other person know, okay, that's okay what you're saying, but I feel like this and I want to do this, right? And
Okay.
if you're not able to do it, that means it is time for you to build boundaries. अब boundaries
Okay.
बनाने, as you said, healthy boundaries. So healthy boundaries are always, they are being created from a place of self-respect and not from the place of ego. Because
Hmm.
I am saying so, इसलिए ये सही है, और मुझे हमेशा ये बोला गया है कि ऐसे करो, अब मैं किसी की बात नहीं सुनूंगी, तो वो
Yeah.
rebellion mode आ जाता है, and we'll talk about it later. So the healthy boundaries are where self-respect is there, where you're okay with the other person to have his opinion, but my opinion matters.
Hmm.
I want to be seen and heard because this
Right.
matters to me, and I don't want to say yes because that's not my truth. So I do not believe in it. Why would I say yes, right? So when you start saying, when, because abhi buzzword ke sath ye bhi bada in fad hai na, that you start saying no. So no means what? It is okay to disagree, but at the same point I do not disrespect you for having that opinion, or looking at things or saying things or doing things, unless it is really really crossing the line and it is becoming abusive. It's okay, you can be happy with whatever you think. So those are healthy boundaries. So they are firm, and we don't build walls. Okay, abhi it is separated. You are you and I am me. So I am not shutting you out. I am very much going along with you, but in my own good way. Right. So I am there. But this is how I feel. And this is
Like,
I want to do.
like
That's healthy boundary.
for example,
Hmm.
like my husband and I, we
Yeah.
travel a lot. Okay, so we
Yes.
go on these holidays,
Yeah.
right? And over the years, we have
Hmm.
realized that there are certain things that I
Hmm.
really like to do when I'm on a holiday, and there are certain things that he likes to
Yeah.
do, and those things do not coincide.
Yes.
And I don't know why, but a lot of people think it's weird, but
Hmm.
we do go our separate ways
Hmm.
sometimes. Like,
Yeah.
if there's a match that he wants to
Hmm.
watch and I want to take a walk on the beach, I think we do that all the time.
Yeah.
But I have seen a lot of surprise from people. So, would you
Why?
consider that to be a healthy boundary?
That's a healthy boundary, because when you're saying, okay, we've come together on a holiday, but one fine day or
Yeah.
for a few hours, you do your stuff, I do my stuff. That's a healthy boundary. He is not imposing himself on you, and you are also not agreeing to give away or sacrifice or, not make your plan to please him. So these are healthy boundaries. They're firm. I can't sit for 3 hours movie, so I'm not going for a movie. Right? That's a healthy
Sure.
boundary. You, in those 3 hours, you shop, you do whatever. Right? That's a
Sure.
healthy boundary, and it's a firm boundary. So again, a checklist or a checkbox that you have to see for a healthy boundary is, it is coming from a place of respect, and not because I have to deviate or I have to oppose. And second, I respect you. I agree with you. You want to do it, you do it, you go your way. But this is what I want to do. And second, I'm not creating a division or a separation. You know, again, I'm not coming back and giving you a hard time about
Oh,
it.
oh
देखा
yeah.
मैंने जाना था और तुम मेरे साथ तो आए नहीं, and because
Hmm.
we do
Yeah,
that है
yeah.
ना,
People tend to
out
do that
हाँ, so
all the
no
time.
no blame fixing there, please, that's not
Yeah,
healthy.
yeah.
And when we come from a weak boundaries, I might be a person you know, who would be like, okay, you know, oh holiday पे आए हैं, मुझे अच्छा तो नहीं लगता, लेकिन 3 hours match I will go. So
Hmm.
my boundaries are porous.
Right.
If I'm keeping them, okay. Having flexible boundaries is healthy. You know,
Hmm.
okay, you know, maybe this one match I can watch because it's India versus Pakistan. I'm not a
Right.
cricket fan, but I would like to go and see
Hmm.
the excitement and be there in that
Sure.
moment.
Hmm.
That's a very flexible boundary and a
Hmm.
healthy boundary.
Hmm.
But of course, yeah, he'll not feel good. Then he's going to give me hard time later, and I'll be talked about it and told कि एक छुट्टी पे आए थे.
Yeah.
The entire idea of having holidays,
Hmm.
spend time together, and then you want to do your, then if you're hanging on to
Yeah.
that idea, then it's not a healthy boundary. It's a very
Hmm.
weak porous boundary. Again, it is coming from the place of fear, rejection, getting approval, getting validation,
Hmm.
not being liked, being told that you're not good enough.
So it's coming from a place of unrest and
Yes,
anticipation of something negative happening in the future.
because वो
Like, I
pattern
will
है
have
ना.
to pay for this in some way. So let
Absolutely.
me just,
बिकॉज वो पैटर्न
hmm,
ही बचपन से ऐसे बना
hmm,
दिया गया है. लाइक if again going back to childhood, when a child does not fit into the standards of discipline, we punish him, don't we?
right.
Ab tum, you'll be grounded because of this.
Hmm,
Ab you will not be given this. Now
hmm,
you cannot have this chocolate, right?
right.
So it's not that you don't have to create accountability with kids, but you're creating also a pattern of disappointment, rejection, fear,
Yeah.
a need of approval, validation with them. कि if I'm not going to do this, I'll be punished. So
Hmm,
feeling ये है, वो disciplined हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा, वो एक another conversation है, right?
hmm,
So when I am going to put conditions on certain behaviors, I'm creating a pattern. So as an adult also my pattern is coming. वो पहले parents थे, teachers थे, मेरे peers थे, अब they are replaced with my spouse, my in-laws, my
hmm,
workmates and other people and my kids also, right? So मेरे patterns तो वही काम कर रहे हैं ना. So I still am holding on to the fear of rejection. I'll not be approved. I'll not be considered as a good wife. I'll not be considered as a good teammate if I'm not. Yes, तो उसमें क्या होगा ना, लोगों का, आप लोगों का बैगेज बन जाएंगे.
hmm,
वो अपना आप पे उतारते जाएंगे एंड यू विल बी वेरी हैप्पी टेकिंग इट बिकॉज यू वांट टू बी लिविंग बाय देयर अप्रूवल्स, लिविंग बाय देयर वैलिडेशंस, बिकॉज आपका अपना सेल्फ तो आपको पता ही नहीं है कि वो क्या चाहता है. बुरा आपको लग रहा है बट यू कैन नॉट से बिकॉज दिस इज हाउ
hmm,
यू कंडीशनड, दिस इज हाउ you've been told. So if coming to this, Sonia, you know, back in my generation was this norm कि if you, when once you get married, as a good daughter-in-law you have to adjust, you have to, you know, compromise. It's a good thing if, you know, sacrifice is good if you're doing it willingly and if it is not harming you. If it is harming you, it's not a good sacrifice. It's
hmm,
not a sacrifice. Compromise should not feel like, oh my god, I'm not left with any choice. If I am making a compromise because I had an option and I want to you know, choose this option, particular option, which may appear to be a compromise, then it's good. But if, oh, because I don't have any other option then to do this, that's not a healthy compromise.
But
Again,
I
we have
also
to
think that
redefine so many
hmm,
things when we want
hmm.
to create boundaries for ourselves.
I think I agree with you, but I do feel like a lot of times we are programmed in such a way that we don't realize that
Hmm.
compromise is, that is
Yeah,
this a willing sacrifice? Is this
yeah,
an unwilling sacrifice? It is just the norm that,
yeah.
okay, here you are and here you have to behave like that.
Mm.
So maybe the distinction is when you make a decision from the point of view of a wounded child, or when you
Yes.
make a decision from the point of view of an independent adult, and it is your responsibility to arrive into your own independence as an
Absolutely.
adult,
Huh.
right?
And it is a very difficult task to expect a child who was never given, uh, I would say, was never given a space to
Yeah.
grow as his own person. Achanak se you expect him to become a very wise adult. How is he going to be? He's always going to be operating
Hmm.
from the child mentality. Who needs to be told? Who needs to be valued? Who needs to be approved? अब फिर हम कहते हैं इधर ये बच्चा बिल्कुल ही, you know, he is submissive. he is not confident, अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट है वो, या वो बिल्कुल ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट है बिकॉज वो रिबेल कर रहा है सब कुछ, एंड ही इज अग्रेसिव इन हिज ओन वे. सो ईदर वी क्रिएट अग्रेसर्स और वी क्रिएट पैसिव अग्रेसर्स, क्योंकि सेल्फ तो चाहता है ना अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस करना.
I love
When
that.
you
Either we create aggressors or we create passive aggressors.
so that's so true. मतलब आप कहीं वो आपके इमोशंस है, वो एनर्जी इन मोशन है, उसको
Yeah,
वेंट चाहिए,
it has to go.
उसको इट हैज टू गो, इट हैज टू प्रोसेस.
Yeah.
You don't even acknowledge the
Yeah.
you are told not to feel like this. How human it is.
Yeah. Yeah.
And we all have grown up with such kind one odd thing कि ऐसे मत फील करो. पहले तो वो उसको एक्नॉलेज ही नहीं करते कि वो फीलिंग है, राइट? ऐसे नहीं हो सकता. यू ह्यूमंस आर नॉट मैकेनिक्स, वी आर नॉट एआई कि आपको ये फीड कर दिया और आप ये ही फील करें और इसी के हिसाब से बात करें. नहीं कर सकते ना, उसमें बहुत सारे एरर्स ऑफ इमोशंस आएंगे.
Right.
हाउ
Right.
डू आई नेविगेट? आई नीड टू लर्न दैट.
This has become like a big playground of space and
Yeah,
time and
so
emotion.
वो
Yeah.
देखो बाउंड्रीज का अपना डेफिनेशन से तो बड़ा छोटा सा है कि मेरे को सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट करनी है, लेकिन सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट असर्ट कैसे करेंगे ना, बिकॉज वो सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट है और वो कहाँ ईगो में कन्वर्ट हो जाती है और कहाँ सेल्फ वर्थ लो हो जाती है, तो पता ही नहीं चलता.
Yeah,
So
I
it's
think
a blurred line.
inner clarity becomes a big, and maybe we can have like another.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
We can have a next discussion on inner clarity.
Absolutely.
So let me pull back, Navita.
Just
Yeah.
cutting you there, कि clarity also comes with having boundaries. You talked about being indecisive, ना?
Yes.
जब मुझे क्लैरिटी ही नहीं है, जब
Yes.
मेरे पास वॉइस ही नहीं है, वॉइस है तो मैं यूज नहीं कर सकती, आपको बता नहीं सकती. एज अ
Yeah.
चाइल्ड आई एम नॉट अलाउड टू स्पीक. हाउ डू यू थिंक आई एम एज एन अडल्ट? माय इनर वॉइस विल ऑलवेज से टेक एन अप्रूवल, देख लो,
Yeah.
कर लो, फिर से बात कर लो, किसी से एडवाइस ले लो,
Yeah. Yeah.
क्योंकि अपने आप को सुनने की आदत ही नहीं है, पूछा ही नहीं किसी ने.
Absolutely, absolutely. That is why, like, inner clarity is a
It's
big
so
topic that we
important.
must
Yes,
cover in the
yes.
next episode.
Sure.
So, tell me, I'm gonna like now pull back this conversation into the other side of the pendulum.
Yes, please.
So there is one side of the pendulum, but अब देखो healthy boundaries तो किसी के है ही नहीं, है ना? ये
हाँ.
तो establish हो चुका है.
करनी पड़ती है,
चलो,
धीरे धीरे
हाँ,
करेंगे ना.
वो तो ideal utopia है ना? That is the middle. Right
Hmm.
now, one end of the pendulum we spoke about where we have weak boundaries. We don't know when our
Yes.
boundaries are crossed because we don't have any concept of boundaries.
Hmm.
So we had that conversation about that. Now I want to talk about the other end of this pendulum because I do see that just as a lot of other terms of emotional intelligence and spiritual intelligence, terms become weaponized.
Yes.
It's unfortunate, but we do see that in today's times that people have a very weak understanding of what it means. And terms like boundaries are sometimes used to evade responsibility or
True.
come out as an or justify aggression towards others or passive aggression towards others, which can become, if not abusive, then it can create
Oh, yes.
wounds in
Yes,
other people's,
absolutely.
and it can like really separate relationships and have
It
like a
wounds
toll
your
on
own
it.
self more also.
Okay.
हाँ,
Okay.
it wounds
So-
yourself also, na?
So tell me, let's talk about this side. That how do you think people? Do you think people have started doing this? I believe people have started doing this, and what do you think? What are your
So,
thoughts on this?
See, again, जो भी चीज बहुत ज्यादा, हाफ नॉलेज इज डेंजरस जिसको बोलते हैं. आप बात तो कर रहे हैं बाउंड्रीज हो, बाउंड्रीज क्रिएट करें, लेकिन आप कैसे बाउंड्रीज क्रिएट कर रहे हैं? हम सेपरेशन में बाउंड्रीज क्रिएट कर रहे हैं. अगेन एज आई सेड कि वीक बाउंड्रीज आर वेयर I want to be seen, but I am shutting you out.
Right.
So that's not a healthy way of having boundaries. That's rather sabotaging everything which is there, because then it is I me myself rule. So I me myself rule is कि मैं एक castle में बैठी हूँ और मैंने एक wall create कर ली है and you are outside. You are out.
Right.
So उसमें judgment आ रही है, आपकी perception ही बिल्कुल delusional है उसमें, and then there is a separation, ना? We are one. On the origin of things, we are one. The consciousness is one. So if I have to be in a relationship or any, and we are in relationship, we are in a work relationship, we are in a love relationship, we are in a parental child relationship, everything is about friends relationship, everything is about relationship, right? A relationship is what? You name it, you don't name it, it is how I relate to you.
Right.
So if I, and the other person is only reflecting me. So if I am not going to hold space for you, my space will not be held. फिर मुझे रखनी किस लिए है space? सिर्फ एक जंग में जाने के लिए, वॉर क्रिएट करने के लिए मुझे बाउंड्रीज नहीं क्रिएट करनी है, क्योंकि ओके, लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल ऑफ हस्बैंड एंड अ वाइफ अगेन, यू नो, बिकॉज ये बड़ा एविडेंट हो जाता है एंड इट रिलेट्स टू एवरीवन. सो द वाइफ one day says कि I am not going to cook. Fine, that's okay if you don't want to cook. But what place are you coming that I'm not going to cook? Are you not going to cook because you don't have skills? Are you not going to cook because you've been abused about it? कि आप ही सारा दिन खाना बनाते रहो and nobody is listening and nobody is appreciating. Fair enough. You draw the line कि I am not cooking from today onwards, right? Or I want to go out and work. Absolutely okay. But this shutting the other person कि I am not going to cook because मुझे नहीं है पसंद. So you have to, there has to be a middle ground to it, no? So you
Right.
completely cannot shut things out. So if I want to be seen and heard, I have to see and hear the other person. Now the thing could be कि you've been hearing the other person for very long or others for very long, and
Right.
you were seeing everything from their lens.
Hmm.
Take the lens, absolutely okay, but you don't have to break the other person's lens, na? Or you don't have to go and correct the other person. That is his point. He will do the work on his own pace. You do the work on
Yes.
your own self, right? So when we talk about कि ये हम separation की बात कर रहे हैं, तो कहीं हम ego में जाके तो नहीं कर रहे हैं. Self respect को intact करने के लिए कर रहे हैं हम. This is a self work we are doing. So when I say I am creating healthy boundaries, it is a self work. It is self love. It is taking stand for yourself, which was very weak because you were giving into pleasing people. You were getting your identity from how people are talking about me or what people perceive about me,
Hmm.
how I am judged as a daughter, as a wife, as a mother. तो मेरी आइडेंटिटी वहां से आ रही थी. अब I want to create my own identity and I want to create a boundary. So again, if a housewife who's been cooking for good 20 years and today she says, I am bored with this task and I want to learn more about myself कि मैं इससे बेहतर क्या कर सकती हूँ
Hmm.
या इसी के साथ और क्या कर सकती हूँ. I want to
Hmm.
extend myself. Very good.
Hmm.
That's a good boundary. And the others should come and it's others' job whether they take it or they don't take it. Again, it's their problem. But you start asserting yourself in a positive way when you are creating boundaries. और पता है क्या normally क्या होता है, because we are never told to assert ourselves, we often do not create boundaries early in a relationship.
Right.
And when we start creating or we want to assert ourselves at a later stage, then it becomes a problem with the others.
Yes.
But so be it.
Hmm.
You want to do it, it has come in your awareness,
Hmm.
you are not happy about it, your body is telling you that it is also not happy about it. Might as well create healthy boundaries for yourself.
So what I gather is that healthy boundaries are, it's sort of like having healthy boundaries is like really taking charge of yourself in the
Yeah.
sense that you learn to live in response rather than living in
Yes.
reaction. So
Right.
I think when when we become very reactionary to in life towards anybody asking anything from us or expecting anything from us, that means in the past maybe our boundaries were violated, but this reaction is not us setting healthy boundaries. It's actually using, weaponizing the term of boundary to get back at something
Yeah.
which is
See, again, Sonia, it is like, look at from that. If somebody has been saying yes for over a period of time, that means he's been walked over, unseen, unheard, sabotaged, put to a corner, you know? And that creates a lot of hurt, that creates a lot of pain. So one fine day that person says, now I will start saying no to everyone. So that no or that creating boundaries is coming from a place of hurt, is coming from a place of mistrust, is coming from the place of unhealed pain. So definitely it is going to be not a healthy process. So it is always going to create more rifts.
turmoil.
Yes, it is going to create a lot of disturbance. It is going to create a lot of emotional baggage also.
Sure.
Right. So you're going to end up sabotaging the relationship, sabotaging yourself again because you're nurturing the pain
Yeah, it's
by
like
creating.
it's like you've been abused and you become a suicide
Yes.
bomber now,
Yeah,
but that's
yeah.
not going to help
Huh,
anyone. You're going to
huh.
explode and you're going to kill
Yeah.
yourself and cause harm to a lot
Yes.
of other people. So
Yes.
therefore, like living in reaction versus living in response. And one more
Absolutely.
point, Navita, I feel, tell me what you think about this, but I feel like we have discussed in all our conversations, we always discuss that life is hard. And all of us as children get shortchanged.
Yeah.
We are overlooked. We are neglected. Sometimes we are abused, wounded, etc. And of course, it's unfair and it's not right. But the biggest thing, the biggest truth that still remains is that it is only our job to now
Yes.
stand up and take responsibility
Yeah.
for ourselves
Yes.
from a place of love and not from a place of
Yes.
I'm gonna get my revenge
Yes.
now, I'm gonna show everybody that because I
Absolutely.
think a lot of people just what is actually latent anger is
Yes.
sort of wheeled as motivation.
Yes.
But anger is never going to cause, and beneath that anger there is grief and there
There
is
is
sadness,
grief, there
there
is
should be
pain.
mourning. Yeah, there's
Yes.
pain, right?
There's hurt.
Yeah.
There's so much of disappointment, resentment underneath those
Yeah.
layers, and so much of you not being there, existing also.
Yeah.
So you go in complete non-existential form that you're just there. So you completely disconnected sometimes with your own self.
Right.
जब own self का मतलब है you don't even know what you feel. You don't even know why you are angry.
Yes.
Because you've been angry almost all your life.
Yeah. And
once
then the
हाँ.
overwhelm just causes a numbness as well. Yeah.
And then you're just numb to the pain. But that doesn't mean it is not there. That is why when you come from a healed space and then you start creating boundaries, they are healthy boundaries. Then it is the response and not the reactiveness that you were talking about, right? That is a major difference between a healthy and a weak boundary. When we are still vulnerable, when we are still hurt, when we are still operating from pain, we will create boundaries, but they'll be unhealthy, weak, porous boundaries. है ना? क्योंकि मुझे अपना ही नहीं पता how I'm feeling. Boundaries किसके against मुझे create करनी है, किसके लिए करनी है. Most of the time we think I need to create boundaries with the other person. First I need to create boundaries with myself, in the sense I have to feel safe and protected. When I feel safe and I feel open still to interact with the person, still to interact with the world, be open to listening, it's a healthy boundary again. And when I feel safe, अब मैंने बोल दिया अपना truth, but I feel closed. I don't feel interacting with that person. That means I'm still holding on to the grudge, to the blame, to the disappointments, to the expectations unmet. And so everything that I have, filled myself with all those negatives, which is not letting me breathe.
So the
And I
real
want to
work is
rebel.
so the real work is to untie those
yes,
knots
yes.
within the self first.
Oh, yeah. That's why the self work is so important. That's why I say creating healthy boundaries is self work, self love. You will not be, it is coming back to yourself, simply. So when I want to create a boundary, I have to come back to myself, and then only I can create those boundaries, not creating boundaries again for our listeners and everybody who is indulging into self work is not creating walls. In fact, those boundaries are opening doorways for a better relationship, better communication, better understanding, better space, holding space for each other. So we are in fact bridging the gap, not creating walls again.
Yeah.
Right? So those are healthy boundaries. And which says that now you remain in your world and I am happy in my world, then it's like shutting down.
That's beautiful. That's really beautiful. So I want to ask you, okay, like before we conclude this conversation, tell me quickly, what advice or what would you recommend, like maybe like a small inner dialogue or some exercise or something, like would you like to recommend, what would you recommend to someone who's learning to explore boundaries?
Yeah. So this is very, very, it's a very intricate work when you want to explore yourself. So if you are in a space where you can do it yourself, because ultimately you have to do it yourself. Yeah.
Right.
Even if you take help of any of the modalities. But if you want to do it yourself, then get awareness, read some stuff about it. You read more of books about self-awareness. What self is. हम इतना self के बारे में बात करते हैं, वो self है कहाँ छुपा लिया है. And then after a little bit of understanding, you can very simply just start sitting with yourself, with your emotions, acknowledge them, And then do a little breath work as we talked last time also, inhaling and exhaling with going a little deeper. And when you practice that for a few days, one fine day, just sit with yourself, inhale, hold, exhale, and ask yourself, think about that situation where you said yes, but you wanted to say no. And when once you are in that situation in your mind, feel in your body where you're feeling what. Acknowledge it. And then to your own self say that I am taking the power to say no. And then feel how it makes you feel. And if it is you feeling peace, you feeling happy, and I'm sure you're going to smile at yourself when you're doing that. That is the rewiring that you need to do. So sit in that position and then make it a habit. So it is like a little meditation you do with yourself that opens up many layers. And probably that's what we also do in our regression work with the clients who are so self-sabotaging, and they are into that loop of unhappiness,
Yeah.
holding on to grudges. No relationship brings happiness to them, you know so it is regression is when we take them back to that memory. So it is reframing, rescripting, reliving that memory. Where what was the first time? When was the first time this imprint was implanted that you have to say yes to please others? You have to say yes to build your identity. You have to say yes to be a good person. You have to say yes to take everybody's approval, to be in the good books, right? And relive it and rewrite it, that say no, say your truth. It's not about saying no again, I would say, Sonia. It's not always about saying no. It's about saying your truth. And then you might end up saying yes also. But at least you've expressed yourself. So, expressing in that subconscious state, which is your safe, your quiet, your own space where you can be who you want to be. So, rewriting there changes the pattern in the conscious. Then, coming back and doing the conscious work, these exercises becomes brilliantly, very, very. I would say it's an amazing experience, and you are able to tap into your own consciousness, your own, I would say, your own safe, sacred space yourself.
Wow, that is like so soul opening, heart opening, and at the same time revolutionary.
Yeah.
And I'm just going to conclude this episode by saying that what we say every time, and I think this is a point we make in every conversation we have, uh, no matter what has happened, it is
Yeah,
our responsibility to take charge of ourselves.
absolutely.
So, with that, we come to the conclusion of another episode. Stay with us for more such conversations and let us know if you want to hear about other topics. Thank you, Navita.
Thank you, Sonia. Thank you as ever holding this space for us. Thank you.
Absolutely. Until next time.